Money Geeks. It is the General, Mr. Mells himself. I am here today with part 2 of the Constellation token update. I do want to let you know that the website is up and running. I know in part 1 the website was up for maintenance. It was going for maintenance at the time, but now we are up and running. So I wanted to go ahead and provide you with a part 2 of the Constellation and DAG network. All right, so the Constellation network that you're looking at here is an open source platform that you can use to create a blockchain, cryptocurrency, or decentralized application. So these are the projects. This can be a platform that others can use as a catalyst for a project that they want to start and bring out to the world, basically. So here, let's go through the site and see what it shows. So here, you can submit your project. Currently has 47 submissions, 82 node operators, infinite transaction capabilities. So let's see. Introducing the Hypercube, the end-to-end blockchain business toolkit. All right, so here it allows you to deploy your own blockchain network. That's phenomenal. Mint your own cryptocurrencies. That's great. Create crypto wallets for various issues. Awesome. And then lastly, explore and validate transactions. So this is all encompassed in one. These are awesome because this is pretty much what we all are looking for, especially if you have a great project and you have a great management team, a great outlook, and consistency. Then you too can become your own or create your own cryptocurrency. All right. So discover Hypercube. We're going to hit that link in just a sec. I'm just going on the drop page, the first landing page. All right, so powered by the Hypergraph. I showed you this video in the first video. All right, so here, infinite scalability. Speed and scalability are inherent in the horizontally scalable design where speed increases with network size. That's awesome. And then simple to deploy. Hypergraph provides full application support. The JVM-powered microservice framework enables effortless deployment. That sounds even better. It keeps getting better and better as I keep going, you know. Cost effective as a microservices framework on a network powered by rewards. Advanced business logic and data can be connected to our feeless and scalable network. I guess freeless wouldn't really mean the same as feeless, but you get what I'm saying. All right, so impenetrable key. That means the security is phenomenal, no point of failure. All right, so by storing transactional records on a computationally intractable data dependency graph, Constellation is big data pipeline ready. Awesome. All right. So here we're going to hit that link to discover Hypergraph. Here it has feature partners. You can see the main partners right up top, and then we can click show all. So we're going to go through that as well. So this video may be a little drawn out, but it's going to be detailed. I have 4 videos up top that's going to show you how to create a new Stargazer wallet, installing it, restoring it, and then sending DAG from your Stargazer wallet. So those are going to be the last, as you can see right here. I already have them preset, and that's going to be part of this video. But first, we're going to get through the actual website. All right. This is huge. And you see the hashtag best community crypto. All right, so build a scalable business with confidence. Here, we aim to attract the next blockchain entrepreneur to build a scalable business with confidence from multiple stakeholders that engage with business. All right, so here you can submit your project. This is my first time seeing the website, so I haven't become familiar with anything on the site yet, but we're going to do it together. All right, so it's just going to be an example. As we click the links, you can follow along as well. All right. So here, let's see if we're going to start from the top. Let's go from the top. So submit your project. So if we wanted to submit the project, we would click here. Build the future. The purpose of this call for proposals is to gather. Oh, let me start over. The purpose of this call for proposals is to gather interest from businesses or individuals looking to build blockchain, cryptocurrency, and decentralized applications on the Hypergraph network. Constellation launched its public network in Q1 2020 and is now in the window of deploying Hypercube, a user-friendly, self-serve interface complete with open-source developer tools for any individual or business to launch their own blockchain solutions. This sounds great to me. Let me see. Why is it different? Now, I'm not going to read everything, but I am going to read some points just so you can engage with yourself. And then, you can go after I turn off the video. You can pretty much just go in here and become more familiar with the site yourself, see if it's beneficial for you or anybody that you may know, because it's definitely an asset, it looks to be so far. So, existing blockchain technology does not support the speed, scalability, and economic incentive needed to build applications with robust business logic. Constellation is its own network and blockchain infrastructure with concurrent consensus mechanisms to add security and assurance to your decentralized application. With Constellation L0 state channel standard, you can define the rules of your business while tapping into Constellation's network powered by rewards. That sounds phenomenal. And then how it works. This is a multi-stage process in which the Constellation team will evaluate project proposal submissions with the intentions of selecting a short list of proposals to be personally guided through their development and go-to-market process by the core Constellation team and community. So it sounds like it's going to be hands-on efforts regarding any business that utilizes the Constellation Network, and you're going to have expert assistance behind that. All right. So who is it for? We're looking for blockchain projects of all types and sizes to take advantage of Constellation's core team guidance. During the period of performance, each project team selected will receive a hands-on technical direction, marketing, and community support, as well as business guidance. Teams may also receive fundraising and grant opportunities. So that was just an explanation of what I was just saying before we read it. So that's great. All right, and what's the timeline? Stage 1 of the process is to supply the Constellation team with an overview of your project proposal using this form. We will be reviewing proposals in the order they are received, and if appropriate, we will reach out to the Stage 2 form requesting further project information. The Stage 1 selection process will be completed by summer 2021. So we are currently in spring. Summer is right at our door, so that's coming up. So why this matters? Our team is our aim is to attract the next blockchain entrepreneur to build a scalable business with confidence from multiple stakeholders that engage with the business. Constellation enables anyone to tap into a cryptocurrency ecosystem and integrate blockchain technology into existing systems and applications through our state channel and L0 standard. So that's awesome. See the types of projects. You have blockchain networks, cryptocurrencies, decentralized applications, non-fungible tokens, data validation solutions. And then you have the Lattice exchange. The Lattice is a decentralized finance, a DeFi platform. Lattice exchange connects all blockchain ecosystems and allows users to transfer cryptocurrency between multiple blockchain ecosystems. That's key. Lattice aims to reduce risk of friction for traders while increasing transparency and control over your digital assets. That's perfect. That's exactly what the space of cryptocurrency needs. Here's a project or program timeline. So Stage 1, which we just went over, is to submit your project. Stage 2 is leveraging the ecosystem, and then Stage 3 is the project launch. So it's 3 phases or 3 pillars, it looks like. So that's where you would go to submit your project. All right, great. So we're going to go back. Let's go back, see what else is on this page. So discover Hypercube. So Hypercube, anyone can build and conduct a business using Constellation's blockchain technology by using Hypercube, a user-friendly interface complete with open source developer tools. All right, so again, deploy your own blockchain using the state channel builder. Anyone can configure their blockchain network requirements and data types for validation and notarization. This business focused framework makes it easy to deploy a scalable network that can meet the demands of the world's biggest applications. Simply define your data types and token strategy and select your hosting provider, and you'll be ready to deploy a staging or production environments. Hey, that's awesome. Mint your own cryptocurrency. This is the big boy game. If you can create crypto that has value that can be built upon, then hey, this is a great platform to start. So deploying your own token is now more achievable than ever. Using the minting tool, anyone can deploy their own cryptocurrency configured to the economic rules and governance of their choice. So it's not the governance of Constellation, it's of your choice. If you're a creator, simply choose if you want to mint a utility token, a non-fungible token, a stable coin, or a governance token. And the Hypercube will walk you through the best practice steps you will need to configure your token economics as well as necessary legal requirements for protection and compliance. Man, this is great. Full control and deep customization. So you as a creator will have full control. No point of failure. So here, end-to-end business toolkit. No coding is required. Integrated developer tools. Hosting or private builds. Ecosystem ready. From personal or enterprise. That's great. Manage your crypto and data. Here, using the secure Hypercube wallet, anyone can keep track of DAG and LTX, which is Lattice, as well as their own minted cryptocurrencies. This wallet also provides for the secure storage and management of personal on-chain data and act as a centerpiece for the future datapreneur economy. Just like your wallet you use to pay for lunch, dinner, clothes, that holds your business cards, ID, and lucky penny, our intention was to design something that people will use every day. That's key. That's mass adoption. If we can use it every day and the benefit outweighs everything else, then it's going to be adopted. It's just a matter of time. All right. So explore and validate transactions. The beauty of blockchain is that every transaction is recorded and can be validated. By using a Hypercube block explorer, anyone can view transaction logs, pending requests, wallet balances, and more. Setting up alerts and exporting data is easy and fast, meaning users can send insights whenever they desire. So mine rewards by validating transactions. That's the key right there. You want to make sure all of your transactions are validated, for authenticity. Want to earn cryptocurrency as a node operator, validating transactions on Hypergraph. Whatever part of a larger strategy, or you just want to earn rewards, node operator is easy with Hypercube. I want to be a node operator. I'm halfway there. I have to get some more funds together, maybe consolidate some of my positions because I have quite a few just to become a nodes operator. And I think I would do that very soon. But I do thank you guys for tuning in to the Pro Money Geek channel. This is a quick interlude. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification and like button. All right. That way I can continue to push out more content that's valuable to you as well as myself. Something that you can learn from, all right, and that we can learn from together, all right. And then that algorithm helps to push this content into more viewers who are looking for things that we're looking for as money geeks, all right. Here we go. Mine rewards by validating transactions. Want to earn cryptocurrency as a node operator, validating transactions on Hypergraph. I just read that. I just wanted to read it again. Whatever part of a larger strategy, or you just want to earn rewards, node operators operation is easy with Hypercube. Yep. And then built to work directly with your stack. Hypercube works with your existing data management tools and operational workflow. Look at these options: Pandas, Spark, you got TensorFlow, Bloomberg Terminal, Fines, AWS. You still have DigitalOcean. Then you can submit your project right there. All right. There you have it. All right, so this is page 2 or link 2. All right, so powered by Hypergraph, we're going to continue to go. Discover Hypergraph. Next link. HGTP is a distributed ledger technology known as a directed acyclic graph protocol with a novel reputation-based consensus model called Proof of Reputable Observation, which is PRO. Hypergraph is a feeless, decentralized network that supports the transfer of DAG cryptocurrency. So that's why it's important to be a part of the Hypergraph network, because I hold a good position of DAG. All right. State channels, microservices. The Constellation HTTP network is a collection of microservices called state channels. Each state channel validates specific data types with user-defined validation functions. State channels form a distributed network architecture that can accommodate real-world big data use cases. Developers can integrate state channels directly into existing applications, allowing for direct E2E security and minimal seamless deployment. Now, the reason why I'm reading all of these things, because some of us don't like to read, but you may want to hear it. So I'm just going through, taking my time a little bit for you, for your benefit, and then you can go on your own time after the video is over. I do appreciate you once again staying through all the way to the end. Let's go. So, a revolutionary protocol. The Constellation HTTP network is powered by a secure communication protocol designed for wide open networks and concurrency. Our vision was not achievable with traditional consensus models. Therefore, we built PRO from the ground up, incorporating machine learning to balance our complex network topology with a performance-based approach to validator rewards. Our protocol relies on a P2P reputation system called Proof of Reputable Observation, which is PRO, that serves as our consensus model while simultaneously optimizing network topology. All right, so the core elements in this structure shows the architecture, the consensus model, the node validators and miners, then the application support. Go there, read that. Let's keep it moving. The application interface for the LO standard, you can see here, so you can understand what that standard is. Read that paragraph. Our network's differences, I want to read that. And the reason why I'm not going into detail with all of the paragraphs, because I want to keep it moving so that you can get an understanding of how to actually put some action into becoming involved. All right. So, cryptographically secure. Constellation provides security to big data pipeline by storing transactional records in a computationally intractable data dependency graph on cryptographic key signatures. All right. So consensus as a service. All right. So existing consensus models lack concurrency and elasticity. Requirements for large-scale data processing. Constellation's Proof of Reputable Observation is a P2P performance and reputable-based consensus that achieves both through automated federation and fault tolerance. Developers can integrate any API on either native or cloud server infrastructure on the fly, creating our notion of consensus as a service, which is awesome. All right. Then it goes to simplicity. So you have to be able to do things simple for the average person to catch on in order for mass adoption to take place, if you understand. All right. So simplicity. Our belief in building for developers is reflected in the design of our application interface. Constellation is easy to integrate with existing systems and applications. Our JVM-powered microservice framework enables an effortless plug-and-play functionality with seamless deployment. Then scalability and speed. Over 2.5 quadrillion bytes of data are created every single day. Our network is built to accommodate the emerging needs of ever-growing big data industry. Speed and scalability are inherent in our horizontally scalable design, where speed increases with network size. That's awesome right there. I know I said awesome a lot, but it is. All right, so that's page 2, the Hypergraph network. Let's keep it moving. All right, featured partners. Let's see who all the partners are. Right here is displayed 10. So Here, as a decentralized network, Constellation promotes collaboration. We aim to be a world-class partner in it for the long haul. Our growing list of trusted partners is organized in the following categories with a focus on industry collaboration and cross-pollination of resources. All right, so from legacy to emerging, participating in a growing ecosystem of connected value. Okay, so you see DAG directly in the middle, which is Constellation, I should say. Oh, and then you see all of the partnerships that are surrounding Constellation or a part of it. Oh, you actually have crypto. So on KuCoin, this is where I purchased my DAG and my LTX, Chainlink, Quant, and LCX. I hold position in all of these. All right. Of course, the Lattice wallet. Yep, got that as well. And then the federal contracts, the DOD, right here, the consortium. Yep, then you have the community, social media, things of that nature. Then you have the business side of it. There we have it. Then you have the products. You have core protocol, network optimization, token health, crypto exchanges, protocol modifications, and treasury management. And then you have product partners right here. All of these looks awesome. The community, project accelerator, educational resources, social engagement, media outlets, and community partners. Yet again, here we go, social media, as well as blockchain. Then you have your business. Everything is broke down into sections. So that's here. Let's keep it moving. So this is back to submit your project. Okay. So here, of course, you can use these links at the top if you wanted to hit about, community, solutions. Everything is going to take you pretty much to what we just did. So now, I appreciate you. Once again, staying all the way in with your boy, the general, the Pro Money Geek general himself, Mr. Mills. All right, so let's go to part 2 of the video. This is creating the Stargazer Wallet. All right.
With this video, I would like to inform you how it is possible to create a new wallet, the Stargazer wallet, on your desktop. In order to do that, I first installed the Stargazer wallet Chrome extension. It's right here, as you can see. It's this nice little fellow. Well, let's start creating our Stargazer wallet on our desktop. First, I have to click on the little dude. Well, it's in here. Hey, you guy. Let's click the button, get started. Let's create a Stargazer password. Well, that's easy to do. Let's say password. Yay, successfully set your password. This is easy, right? Next step, let's create your recovery phrase. It's a series of long voice specific order. Okay, let's start it off. Okay, now you have to use a pen and a notebook. Go right here. Just write the words down, but make sure you can read your own handwriting. I once wrote down a recovery phrase while sitting at a hairdresser studio. So I wrote it down really quickly because, of course, it was rather busy at the moment, and I had to run to my car again, and I thought, well, maybe I can install this wallet very quickly, and then the recovery phrase came up, and I had to write it down, and I did it too fast, and then you can imagine what happened. I couldn't read my own handwriting anymore once I needed to install the wallet again. So I figured it out because of my daughter, she could read my handwriting. But just write it down very clearly. So I've written it down. I will check it if I can write my own handwriting. Balcony, written it down. Well done. Very done. That you've written down your recovery phrase correctly. Please enter it again. Well, okay. This is great, because the other wallet I downloaded, there wasn't a double check. So yay to Stargazer. Let's do it. Okay. Now here you can see all the wallets again. So this is really helpful. So now I'm sure I've written it correctly. Yes. Open. Promote. Suspend. Well, now by now. Validate. Oh yay! Your wallet is ready. That was it. Oh my god. If I can do it, you can do it. It's really easy.
It looks pretty simple.
Oh well, I have 0 DAGs. Well, let's do something about that one. Hey guys. Thanks. To install our Stargazer wallet. I'm very happy to walk you through it. And in order to install the wallet, we need to take a few steps. Well, the first step is to install the Stargazer Wallet Chrome extensions. I will walk you through it. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it for sure. Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to get this URL in our Chrome browser. We just click enter and the zip file will be downloaded. You will go to your Finder and here you'll see it's about to be downloaded. It's going to take a while. And then we are going to unzip it. It's right in here. Perfect, perfect. Well, the next step we need to take is to open our web browser again and put the extension, Chrome extensions, you can see it right here, in your web browser. You hit enter again and then you have your extensions view. You switch on developer modes. It's right in here in the top right corner. You will see the text in here, it's ontwikkelaarmodus, but it's developer mode. Okay, it was switched on already. Perfect. Then you're going to unpack your extensions. Let's do that. We have to click on the file that we just downloaded. We select it, and there we go. There he is, the Stargazer Wallet extension. Well, okay, the next thing we need to do to make the extension visible in your Chrome browser, click on the puzzle piece icon next to the other extensions. Okay, so let's wait, here's the little puzzle. Then we have to select the Stargazer Wallet, and there he is. Welcome to Stargazer Wallet. My God, it worked. Well, let's see where you guys are. Yay, it worked. You now have
that sounds awesome. So this is the first part before the first video that you just saw to get the extension onto your Chrome browser. So this one, and then rewind back to the first one, how to get your Stargazer wallet set up with your paraphrase and recovery, and so you can send your tokens directly there. All right, so next video.
Hi everybody. So today I'm here to inform you how you can restore your Stargazer wallet. Well, let's give it a go. You first click on the little dude in top of your Chrome extension. It's right here. Okay, you have to import using your wallet seed phrase. Let's click on that one. Let's import your wallet. Please paste your wallet seed phrase below. Well, luckily, got it right here. Just put it there. Importing your wallet seed will automatically import the wallet associated with the seed phrase. Import. Let's create a Stargazer password. Let's do that. Another time. Next. Your wallet is ready. Your wallet and all connected accounts have been imported. That's great. Oh my god, that was easy. Oh look. Oh thank god, my DAGs are back again. That's perfect. Yay to Stargazer. Thank you guys.
on the previous video, she had over 400,000 DAG tokens, which would enable anyone to become a node operator, or at least apply to become a node operator. It's 250,000 tokens minimal that you need, but that was an example. This last video is sending DAG from the Stargazer wallet out. All right, so that's what this one is. Let's go.
Alright, so today I'm going to tell you how you can use your Stargazer wallet to send some DAGs. Well, first of all, you click on the little guy here in your Chrome extension. So here you have your Stargazer wallet. There's the little dude. Now we have to enter our password. Yes, there we are, and there are our DAGs. Well, just let me enter a valid DAG address. Well, I put it right here. Just put amount to send. No transaction fee. And just send it. Of course, confirm. Yay! The transaction is on the way.
That was simple.
Next. Let's hit next. Next. So now it's transferring. Oh my god, this is so easy. I love it. Thank you, product team of Constellation Starters Collective. This is awesome. Thank you so much. You've made my life a little bit more easy, and everybody else's life. Thank you, guys. See you next time.
All right, that's what this whole video is about, just to give you a little bit more insight, a little tutorial on the DAG and Constellation Network. Hopefully this was beneficial to you like it was to me. I wanted to consolidate all of these resources or videos together along with the website in order for you to follow along. Hopefully this was a jewel. Hopefully this was a gem, a nugget, as we call it over here in the Pro Money Geek atmosphere, the stratosphere. I am the Pro Money Geek General. Be sure you subscribe, hit that notification button, like, all right? And be sure to come back. I look forward to seeing you again. Hopefully you do as well. I am the Pro Money Geek General. I am out.